134 right here. 1M2, 1M2. No, 16. This time. Yeah, after M2, you got 134. Where you go, Fire? Where you go? I go on that day, that's all.
Saying, yeah, somebody don't have me. My best friend tell me say you don't here. Yes, you don't here, so me just can't link you.
That's some fruits me up on the road that sell out and nowhere. Here comes Squaddy, throw me in a jeep. You know what I mean? I say, right now, I work pitney maintenance so much month. You see your best friend, a wicked, you know? You know how much time I give the girl the money in her hand, do what the court say. Give the money, put the money in her account. You know what I mean? I give her the money in her hand. And she now record it. So I give her the money for the picnic at school. And sit down there and say me work 6 months. And no matter what I say, the judge said no, that not enough because I don't prove, I don't receipt, I don't nothing at all. But I know say me give your friend live money in her hand. A woman so wicked.
But if you pay a man, you have to pay because the little pitney is very bright and she need the support. She need the support. So all you have to do is pay and you won't get locked up.
Me a pay.
That's all you have to do. Pay.
Woman too wicked, man. I don't know how she wicked so. Cause she know the truth. Say, I and I give her the money. And see there? She make Babylon put her behind the bars. You see it?
Well, you have to just do what you have to do. When you come out, don't come back in your son. Just pay what you have to pay.
So no my youth, she have my last name, you know. So me I do the thing me there in the street at also. How much sitting there with the fruits me I sell off, all the trust to ensure some back up her money.
Well, when you come out, you know what you do. Don't come back in your son. Just do what you have to do.
Yo, at the 10th time this nigga get locked up, you know, for last year, you know. Me don't know that girl, what me do that girl, you know, me nah learn me lesson, you know. You know, say my mother they are one about that girl, from the first time she see me and her. You know what I mean? Because me carry her to go meet mother in one night, you know. And mother said, where the girl there? I went to start laugh, mother see her teeth them, because her teeth them white, but through she dark. Yeah, my mother yeah, not so good to my time, right? So me I tell her, mama say, yo, I don't trust that one, yeah. I don't trust that one, I can't see her true intention. And see that? It come play back for me. Right now, me there behind bars. Look for me. Me a no thief. Me a original hustler and the girl that tell lie. She want extra money. You know me I tell you,
you have to just do what you do, yeah, man. Check me, come check your still.
Alright, enough respect still. When you see my daughter, big her up for me. You know what I mean?
Alright.
Give her $2,000 when I come out on the road and I see her give back the money there. But not tell her mother, just give her it for herself. You know what I mean? Tell her father send that. Yeah, yeah? Tell her not show her mother. When she go to school, she buy a little sweet and a little juice and hide back the change and save what she want to save. I may tell her, rough. So who you see having her now?
You know, say one of my cousins me having here.
Oh.
I'm here see you down here, so I come and check you.
Yeah, sweat like I do. Yo, then can't put AC in a prison. Then can't put AC in a station.
Time hot, man.
Or they want lock up people. Only if you lobby out the road for this, you know. The prisoner them have a life too, we have a rights. You so in a hot, you go back out in a cool, you know, but I have to stay here. Prisoner make for dog, you know. So I not no problem. Prisoner make for dog. Alright?
Anyways, I check you, so I go back on the road, you know.
Alright.
Alright, look at me.
Alright.
Yeah.
Your friend go get knocked in a longer run. Alright, me there you do. Give thanks to the visit, you know? Alright. Prison and no bed of roses. Liberty makes me bad. So like when a girl a birthday, we go carry her go to the beach like outside, carry her the beach, whatever. Then we drive up Port here somewhere car, but jump her back on her yard, then we go out to go chill out for the weekend. You understand?
That
Because
sounds good, yeah.
alright, so that's why I get so early. No, I call the mother say over the yard, they're then related. So let's go over there, because I'm not even in a deal. Let's go over there and get the friend. Car go beach by a certain time, and then we can go buy an ice cream. We car around the place. Then we drop her off back, and then we go on the road.
Alright.
Go over there. Marcy are the woman there.
Alright.
Feel free, feel free. I hope you're listening to me. Feel free, feel free, feel free. You can fly. Feel free, feel free, feel free. Limit is the sky. I won't tell you no lie. Don't be shy. You got to count on yourself. Can
She not getting in trouble over there.
No. What make that the woman they stay so? Me the Alamarcia, the woman come up here from me and they look to the window so you know, like she has say who that.
Yeah, man.
In her mind, she nah say, who is that? What you want or whatever. See the woman in the window, the lily eye, them miss your people like a tour. Who let the people in there?
Yo, me no deal that lady from when, me no deal the dog, none at all. You good, sir?
Don't shake your head. Don't shake your head. What you must say?
Yes.
What's that?
Alright, so get yourself in a car. Go move. Go in a car.
chocolate, cookie and cream, and pistachio.
But the reason never man.
Yeah, 250.
A little bit of money.
Yeah. Alright, can I get in a cup? Okay, thanks. Come on here, son.
You alright, girl?
Feel like you have fever.
Girl, you good? Yeah. She get fever, she never get. Yeah, you forget ice cream and you catch fever? Yeah, man, I can't do that one. She just add some item.
Serve it, please, and thank you. Thanks. What did I say? You're welcome. No, hold it properly. When you go back in the car, no, listen. When you go back inside the car, you wrap your napkin. I look like you're not going to eat ice cream. And I'm going to eat ice cream. You don't want to wrap no spoon. And I'm going to feed money in the car and come back here.
Yes, ma'am.
One, watch your step. One, sit down in the car until you come back.
Okay, yeah, coming up. Hear me say now. When you go up, your mother this year. No banana. Take on a banana them out tight. They take two of them and go on. Go. Wait first. Wait first. Give your mother that. Give your mother it. $3,000. Give your mother that and tell him say, who give it your father? Give that. I'm gonna take no receipt from him that I feel go school, eat and anything throughout the week. Alright? You want to carry a coat again in Cami. Which number them cool? Check who's gonna cash back shot. Go on. Check us again and say no we're not going to check the laptop. Say no we're not open. I'm supposed to have a look at us in there. No, I'm not turn good yet. Oh, a black man play this morning. Walk up, what the penny?
Number 6, make a man. Not another pan.
Not another penny? Check him out the panda. And number 16 play afterwards. Shit. I'm gonna combine up this morning. I should have combined because I'm gonna have winner 6 them shrubs. I'm going to 22 so much. I'm going to 22 after. Burn it down. After 22 comes 6. That's a dirty dog. I'm going to buy it.
Now, they want me to see Sunday.
I'm going to look for the camera. So I come really confident that the time is confident. Not glad. This is a senior. Number 16 here.
Yes, sir. Afternoon, sir.
Yeah, what going officer?
Are you name Mr. Glenn or that, right?
Yeah, man. So, us me the pants, me not get no trouble with that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what going officer? You want? What you want? What you want everybody?
Man, me need to have a word with you, you know.
Alright, so you want to banana them?
No, my boss, no, me not go want no banana, you know. What me go want to talk to you about is some picnic maintenance.
Oh, me pay the money, that man.
No, that's not what me hear, you know, my boss. When me hear say you're not taking care of you them, so you're gonna need to come with me down a station.
Yeah, actually, right now I'm tired. If I never tired, I run off in about anyway. Because I know say me give my woman the money, you know. That right thing me out to start juggling and something here for. And the second one day, you know, the empty is already, you know. Where thing I work so hard for. My youth getting money. Anyway, if I have to go down a station, I'm go down a station. What can I good them do, you know?
Yeah man, come in.
Because I know say I'm not guilty, you know. I know say I pay the money. I put the goods them in my tongue. Fly it up. Yeah, but I'm glad I get the message and send the credit come. Yeah man, you never had to get that phone here, you know. Because when you have money and connection. And some of you them to sell fruits in the street. Couple of them there, you see it? So money where you're sending, make them have it and just buy the phone from them, you see it? So I have a phone here. But I want next youth now, you don't want to look at argument. You know what I mean? So I end up fight. When you fight, them put in a one dark room. But when them start fight, they have a phone for me already. Yeah man, so that's why I have a phone to can call her back. That's why I have a phone. Yeah, if you can really hear from you. It's a good thing you know call when, but it's on silent still, so then nobody will hear. But in a dark room there now. Down a hot, I be a sweat me a sweat. It's like I get no oxygen. But I have experience of it 2 days. Like it's a punishment within a punishment. But everything good. Link a liar, no man. You know, so I lock the place and lock me could never get to pay the child support. The liar they now work, man. Get one different liar, man. Alright. Yo, somebody come. Yeah, Candy, hear me say now. You see I ring my phone 100 times. Yeah, me do not answer the phone, man, because I'm in the taxi. Yeah, man, just taxi me, that me could answer the phone. We just reach at this park. Up on the beach, we go walk now and see me can make a little hustling. Yeah. She a call, I know me not answer. You get drop off money down so door? See if you can drop off the money for the little girl.
It goes on and on. It goes on and on. And we keep on approaching the pressure. And we holding on. We're here to win it. Get glad we're in it. Have you seen it? It is miracle happening in the front of your eyes. Tell me you don't see it. Don't you believe it? Yeah. Didn't you receive it? Yeah. We unstoppable. Unstoppable. Yeah. Unstoppable. We unstoppable. Can't hold us down, can't slow us down, no way. We're here to stay, we're here to stay. I hope you hear that knocking, I hope you hear that rocking. It's the tinging of the clock. And we keep the people rock. Cause we keep on doing our duty straight from the clock. So if you're ready, come on. Don't slow down, come on. It's time for the comeback. And we're solid as a rock, yeah. We may be down, but we're never out.
Gandhi. You want to know some police around me down. I have to drop all the basket and hide at one place and I couldn't run it too much load. You look like the woman so not warrant for me again. Pin maintenance again. I know so them all lay with me, but I try to hide so I can reach home. You hear? Yeah man. I run and hide same way.
And remember that Jannah sleep. And I know me not touch now. From last week. What you did it now. Trying to be my friend. I've no time for them dog.
Sell out the fruit stand. Mango, we have banana, vine, everything there. It's a fine back Mr. Buzz car. Some of them youth have to take with the suppers. Struggling. Through my band. I want to make fun of you now. I hear the woman pick me a ball and they shoot me one banana. And I did there, can sell around the camera. Some of them make those for. But they send up on the beach, it's hot. Can't even sell as a start, sell something and fear run and hide. one $2,000 to buy back goods and all. Oh yeah. Better than tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day.
Alright now, you walk so slow. Little girl, you must be yourself, yeah? Come over your father, yeah? Or find when you not see him now.
No.
But I'm picking
No.
up.
Let me know. Just carry you. Just carry a big picnic one. That's the answer. I can't eat too much walking, man. You alone carry. You know you're a picnic too, man.
I see you stay.
Go around. You go around. There, so.
Here go your father, I spend time with your father here. Oh Lord. Oh God.
Watch out, Wagwan. You come.
Yeah.
Alright. If you go up on the road, go hustle you now.
Your bag here, your stuff like that.
Take off the festival.
But here.
Yes.
So, me bring her come to make she spend some time with you.
A long time if you can't come because look how much money me I spend for and time I get locked up. And me have to cuss you off and the judge have to tell you say you need to get some time with the picnic. My wife there so she will take care to them I go on the road.
Bye baby.
Sandra, before me even start talk to you, good day. Me no comfy and no quarreling with you today. Matter of fact, me never could say anything about you draw me out. Why you carry my husband? Go name go tell police every time. Why you carrying name go to police every time you're going down a station and police are visiting? Sandra, you tell me say you couldn't wait to go down there, to go check no time at all. You find places all about different places I go.
Alright.
No, listen. Your name Stinker Road. Yeah.
My name Stinker Road.
Say they call up my husband name. I know say your baby father, but you could have easy well call him and ask me if he put his money down on family court. He did already put it down there. You couldn't just take little time out of your time where they all over the place and go check to see if the money down there. You carry down disgrace for him.
Me I call him
you
and he
stop
not
it.
answer him phone. All me I call the man not answer him phone. I called him last week.
Thank you God truth. Give me one, I'll tell you something more. You give me one good reason why you think he not answer your phone when you call.
Because he knows say I pick the money, me I call him for it, make him don't want to answer his phone, me I call him. I don't like his style. I saw him stand for a long time. I don't know how comes that your husband and you don't know say so.
Look here, nobody with the ring this.
Me not ring.
He always put the money down there, but you don't go check first. You run gas station first, the way you love mix up. Girl, let me tell you something. You see, if my husband not my name Pitney, me and him not go agree. All we not my youth, he have to my name Pitney. You know say my name Pitney. You know if he stay so, but it look like I want him back.
No, me not
Yeah.
want him back. Me have my man.
She can't get me, she have her man. But you know, I go up on the work you know. Yeah? So when I come on, I go up on the hustle, if I go down, so go buy some goods and now. I left the basket same place upon the police board then. Most of the goods not much right now, so I just dash everything and start
Alright.
fresh. Alright?
Girl, next time, you come ask me if the money down there.
Alright
Because
then.
when I not him put it down there and me can go down there. So you not have to
Me
run
would
to the
know
police
no.
station
Remember say
every
me
time.
would know a China answer him phone and him call.
But you know where we live and you always come and say, so why you never come?
Me never feel to come here. Me never feel to come here that day. And me I call him. Me just want to go bed. Just
You
want to
just
pick up the
love
money.
police. Alright, later go on down there go collect the money.
Alright.
Action.
Come back quick, man. So you get the money.
No, I'm not getting money. Then tell me see her next month before me get that the money there. But that the judge tell him. So I'm not getting money. Sawa, how me get yes look so?
You think you get the money?
No, I'm not getting money right now. Money they say I give me right now. I want it right now.
What will happen? Want a piece of money, start collect some things to do.
I mean, if you want a piece, so you have the card pan, you have the card pan, come and me go down a bank now go just, you know. You can't want me, I don't want to take care of my pitney, you know. I'm saying that you're my man and she stepdaughter, you know. What wrong with you, man? Get up and come on and tap done. You feel like you're not follow me going away, just come on. Sure. No, but I'll face style, you know, no good style like this.
Yeah, I had some band. Yeah, I had some band. Yeah, I had some band. Look how we want. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep you jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica. Sweet island in the sun.
Hello,
when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. 7 miles away from Things keep connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding for a sailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool on is water park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay. I do the rafting down by Martha Bray. At Margaritaville you can chill all day. Let me tell you about Jamaica. In Jamaica, so don't worry. Don't pass the crowd, they defender. You have to purchase things to remember. Rapping on the mountains and the streets up. And the birds sing sweet songs in the treetop. Pop all the music, let's go see that. You see in Jackson, we're probably gonna eat that. You know what I'm telling about Jamaica. Reggae make me feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. You can join us. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep you jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica. Sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. You see the sun, see the sun, fun in the sun. Yeah, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Blessed land, blessed people. Come and love and we burn out all of the evil. Rasta come with love.
Who will call me? Sure. Hello? What going, my girl? What? The sun hot over the clinic, me they go.
Thank you. Candy. Girl, I'm mind just one pie, you know what me call you. What?
Girl, you tell us that me I go over the clinic.
We are going to clinic, go do.
Me swab my husband.
You didn't know about them, they sitting there too?
Yeah, me know to do it. Yes, man. And I mean do it personally, you hear me say me know to do it, you know. Me care him already go do it. And me care in daughter go do it. You know get what me I say? Me care my husband and in daughter go then get swabbed. Because that the little girl them not tell online don't favor me husband. Kill me dead and not feel him pick me.
And my best friend still in, but when she did that day with your man, she did have whole heap of man same way. Girl.
So the result me I go for you now. You can't two of them go make them swap them. One swap them, then put one sitting on them job one and swap you and send it on a lab. So then they tell me when if you come back for it. I don't trust that girl Sandra. You always the one about Sandra. Oh, you always a serious one heap of man. And me always say no girl, me don't want to really say that true because I'm my husband's child. Because you don't talk bad about her. The people go say I'm jealous, but God no. The picnic there in my yard and yeah, I spend some time. Remember saying father, you know, she have to spend time with her father more while. And I said the little nasty girl. Every minute she go to station and she knows that she fi go down a family court for the money. But she can't wait. But every time she tell me the same thing. Every time she tell me husband the same thing. Oh, she they call him and to him no say. And money she a call about for the child. That's why my husband not answer. She knows that a lie because one thing with him he might have in ways, but he mind the picnic. Whether female or not, he mind it. Girl, sun hot. I'm going to shade it. I go for your result.
Just keep me posted, let me know what I'm going here. Alright.
The result. If I nothing, let me call a look more. I go by clinic. You know the clinic at Petersfield.
Girl, guess who me just don't talk to? Your baby father woman, Candy. So she gone over clinic, gone do DNA test. Yes, girl. So she gonna do DNA test. Alright, the way I do. Link me back later. Alright.
your yard when my stepfather buy me.
No, me not make you wear where your stepfather buy you, make it stay yard. Right now, some clothes me want to find them some clothes because you don't have no clothes.
Father.
So me gonna make them buy some clothes because you don't got no clothes. Here? Fire! Poochie! Or fire, anyone now know come out here. Come look here. Evening.
I don't want no evening from you. We're coming on my yard for the holler to fire every minute. What's your problem? What is the problem? This never locking up my rocks. Excuse me, little girl. Come on here, son. Come on, stand out. Yes. What you want? What you want with me, husband?
The car come because she don't have no clothes. And they need to buy some clothes for her. So she have on, she don't have, she don't have nothing.
You bring her come because she don't have no clothes to put on.
Yeah.
Why is she in her father? Clothes. When the little girl clothes say? What you mean when you say you carry her come because she don't have no clothes to put on? How far clothes the little girl have on?
As you can see, the man clothes me have on because me don't have no clothes to put on for her.
Your man clothes?
Yes, me don't have no clothes on my clothes and can't put
Sandra,
her.
you're big, dirty and nasty. You want to tell me say you don't wash the little girl clothes them so when you come down and suffer?
She don't have no clothes because she grew all her clothes them. She grew everything. So
what
me don't have no put on
Let
for
me answer
her.
one question. When
But mommy, you know buy me some pretty dress when my stepfather buy me.
Tap it out.
Where will buy me? I don't want to wear my pretty dress them too.
Girl, tapping eyes want money for him to buy things for you. Wait, girl, you hear me say tapping eyes?
before you big and full food, you act like that say a whisper and it loud in the public. So you're dishonest and lie and nasty. The pitney stepfather buy clothes here. You don't make the pitney wear the clothes. You come down here so come tell me about she grow out her clothes then. And you come for money to do it. Buy clothes from who for husband. One three man them where you take. The man them where they take can look here, let me tell you something. See, if you never know, I have something to show you. Hold on there. Money you come from who for man? For me man, the outsider. Girl, let me tell you something. You see in this? I want DNA result in here.
Oh, come to get my picking to go to DNA.
Listen, let me tell you something. When my husband asleep, I swab in job and run and jump on and stuff. You see? And I care the little girl where you say, see my husband, go over to the doctor when I always go to it. So to me know say my friend know you. Me done can her on phone and tell her say me care my husband and the little girl got doctor, but me don't care who they got that. Me care she alone go, but me swab my husband job when him asleep. And when me done, I take this something and lock it down in one little container and care about the doctor and he carry by lab. There's a wicked girl.
Little girl. Little girl. Little girl, I never
which girl?
Little girl, I never tell me say go
yes, a little girl like I know your picnic. So she a jacket. I find her on the road.
No, me say little girl. She's a little girl.
She's a little girl and I know her name. I feel your picnic. She's
But no matter about no DNA. A film name on the birth certificate, a film pitney, else me go lock him up again and he have to give me money for him. Him, fire, have to give me money for him.
hello.
Come.
One. If you get 1 more cent, a matter of fact, you see money then. When you can go down a family court and when you can go down there, you go collect. Oh, see that? I don't lie me there tell. See here.
Me no
Me a
business
keep
with
because I
that.
don't want you destroy. You hear me? And when he come home, I go show him it. You want wicked. Go take off your man shut off and picnic and go wash your picnic dirty clothes
I
there.
can't do not give me no
You're not forget nothing fear from this area again.
Alright, watch your joke. You see, anyone not give me no money for your pitney, me gonna lock him up by later on. You watch your joke.
You're going to get locked up because we are so your favorite girl where you get already. You want a little nasty girl. You love man too much. Go look for your baby daddy.
Yeah. Yo, you know I know what happened last night. Yeah. Some police no roll up on me hard, man. Yeah, man, for me so-called baby mother, I try to get me locked up, but it's a good thing for me, woman, yeah. Can't do no easy, you know. She do the DNA. Because the suspects are not my youth, you understand? And that's how come. You understand? The police them say then if I come up, if I go to court now, because I can sue her, make sure she get locked up but now for all of the time then me get locked up and all of the files. You know? Mommy, I soon link you though. I soon link you, man. I soon link you. I just some goods me I try to get for touch the road because I come in a hustling mood. I just hustle up and I try to make some money. But more link you though, man. But that's also good news in a one way. You know what I mean? So and I read their granddaughter. But I still, in my mind, I still look at that, but I not feel really get no lock up again or nothing. But I go page you, man. Alright. Son, just come see they go down the shop. Yeah, the trash come lesser than the start. Start recording action.
I can't get you. Hey, you alright? Okay. Me alright. But girl, me a big bad news for you. About me. Girl, you know say my father been paying money for me to take care of me. All if you know say no, he is not my actual father. And then like him not start me in a jail when he not paying money on time. Girl, you know, see now I got see me to a school door. Yes, that's why I tell you say you now got to see me at school. Because guess what? My mother no want to go work, my father broke. She get a new man, but guess what? The man broke. That would. Anyway, as a girl, yeah, me the right place. Yes, girl.
So where they are though?
Me I talk on the phone.
But that's not a real phone.
Are you somebody on here?
Good man. So where you dealing?
No.
So where your mother there? Me know say things kinda rough. Listen up. Me know say you know say things kinda rough and no one thing. But don't worry yourself, man. Things go good when I dey there. Alright? Yeah man, I pass through here and I see you. Sit down and I go and play your time. But you're good differently though.
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself. No one then I go send the money come here same way. Yeah?
Me can't get one.
You know, I work on the road, I go do some juggling, so the money, I don't get no money for me. Taxi fare alone, because some people want me some fruits money, then I collect from. So if I collect the money from them, I come back around and so come give money. Alright? So, You still pay all over the place same way. See with your tie, but here one, worry yourself. I will tell money come here for now. Alright? Yeah. Alright.
I don't know how you feel now way. And nobody feel like I say, you know. We don't love you, we love you eternal. Just remember, say, we love you the same way here. And anything you want, you still can give to you, but you have to go care about them and your mother.
Why?
Because your mother do ungrateful. It's not like I'm using your mother against you because you're a child. So I'm not put you in a big people's story. But listen to me now. Now here what we do for you is like your mother, how to put this now? Your mother just, it's like she see it when somebody attack to you, you look on them. Your mother not teach you that. Eh? Your mother needs to teach you the right thing. I soon tell you something else when I want to tell you about me. I'll tell you this first. As I said before, you have to go care about down your mother here. And I know so you feel away, but don't worry yourself. You still can come to you and come look for you and bring things to you. But your mother is a wicked woman. Your mother, I tell you all kind of things and I want to tell people this and I tell people that and she knows so nothing no go so. I set your face on man, don't cry. Don't cry here. No, so I love you same way here. So don't worry yourself. Don't cry mama, don't cry here. Don't cry. Now go carry grocery and stuff for you same way here. Yeah. Alright. I love you here. And I'll tell you this. Your mother never tell you before. You see if you see somebody with a big or small, I mean adult or kids, and them have something that you need, you're going to say, can I have some? Or please can I have that? When they give it to you, you say thank you. But I know everybody you see out the road if you take things from, especially strangers where you don't know. Them offer your stuff, especially man. Big old dirty great old man them. Say no thank you. Mother and father say me not to take things from strangers. You hear what me say?
Yeah, but then say if you want stranger and them a follow you, you have to run.
You don't have to run. Just go to the nearest police station or you see the nearest police station or anywhere you see crowd. Just stand up right there so. Say that one adult. And make them aware of what you feel fear about. You understand? Any little fear you have in you, if that's somebody with one man or one woman follow you, just stand up say that one big somebody and say, miss, that person is following me. And then can help you. So remember.
Oh, maybe them a part of a stranger to not me.
No, they don't have to. Just go in a one crowd if you feel uncomfortable somebody will follow you. Or you go to the nearest police station. You understand? Next thing, learn to say excuse, please and thank you. Here?
Yes.
Alright, so come on, let me here go get some.
There's a snail.
Eh?
There's a snail.
I want snail. You see them something here now? Them not so. You see this? That, not touch it. A snail or a slug or whatever they want to call it. You don't want to crawl up on you when you're sleeping at night. So you go drink the foolishness. Come on, buy something.
Sweet sensation, Rasta vibration. Well. How can I breeze that blow your carbon as well? Go on.
You know how long more I see you. I know say and my best friend is too in and no dealing again, but I know say look pitney enough for you. But for yesterday we look for little pitney and can't find her.
What you said to me?
For yesterday little pitney miss so we can't find her.
Alright, you know, so I work me a plan for going now, but I know my youth, but still, me are the father for the fatherless. So I'm go down there go look, you know, then. So yeah, go down the to go and search.
I look man.
Alright, so I'm going to do. I'll left a basket because I want somebody hard and go check. Here, so we go meet her down there. We'll meet her down at Era. She must in Era, man. Because she now go take taxi. She now go up on plane. She have to there. You have your phone for you?
Yeah, me have my phone, man.
Alright, so call me for nothing. Alright?
Alright then. Alright.
Yeah, girl. Found the place is so bushy. You must cut them a weekend. Hey, girl. Bushy. I know you have me inside their home. Bunny, not there for me.
Yeah, you know, say me justify ya. And me tell you what happened. Yeah, man, although what you do is wrong, but he say, I go help me look for your picnic. Yeah. A jacket to give man and see them man after them help look for your picnic now. But anyways, me I go and search. He go and search. Me just don't talk to him. Alright.
You can't go door. Yeah, you cook nice, you cook nice, but guess what? Me can't eat another outside, the house too hot. That's when you have to eat outside, yeah? Girl, me like your rap door.
Oh, I see you there. Your family, everybody I look for you, you know. Then say 2 days now, you know, go back home. Me have work for that today, work, you know. Me know say the result come out and they say, yeah, no, my daughter. And everything good. But don't worry about that, man. Me know say I must stress to the brain because yeah. Grow bigger, you know, you understand something, but you don't understand everything. But here one I think me I tell you, you need to go back home to your parents. You understand? Don't worry yourself from time to time. I will give you money. You understand? Me won't get no more lock up. So me not like to get obligated. But don't worry yourself. You're safe same way. And if you study your book, and you got college, I will help send you to college same way. Just take up a book and study. Alright? But now your mother there yard and our best friend, everybody walk up and look for you. The best for you go home and make them know say alright. Can you go alright? Don't be like your mother. And blame some people it doesn't matter about them. You're there here now. Just make use of the opportunity that you have here. What am I saying? You go soak in your brain, one day you go understand it. So take up your book, right? Yeah. And always believe in working hard for what you want. But you need to go back home. Alright? Come on, your mother worry about you. Come on, put on them things there.
What about my friend?
Yeah, tomorrow you and play again. But make your mother know say alright, alright? Just make your mother know say alright and things.
Leah! 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 You know, say me no see Leah now when me a look all about and me no see her. I'll know me can't find the little pitney. Jesus Christ. Alright. Oh God, let me have a do now. Oh God, help me find that little girl. What's up?
We run and one of our friend runs up at them to the dolly house. We go see the girl. Listen to me. Stop
me
laughing.
look for you.
Your mother and your mother best friend and look all over the place here and can't find you. Why you running from your yard?
Yeah man, thanks. Cause mother down there worry, you know. Look how much she mad out.
Well, the good thing is that she's safe. Tell her mother say to do better. Her mother need to do better than that. Cause the CDA and them people there will take away half an hour. I'm not going into the equation because you know all the thing go already. Alright, cause I lose a day work today, but she alright still, so I'm looking that when my daughter in a one way, kind of my name, but it come out of my name. So anyway take it. So you go but anyway, I go up on the work.
So alright, thanks. You ready?
No.
Next time don't do it again, you hear?
To all the people that mean me harm, go back where you came from. No, you can't get from. Hey, you know the morning start out. You don't know that song, the Taurus Riley. Yeah, man. But glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, bunny down to the ground. You take what you take when you go do what you do. I try to get myself in order. And I go and give thanks and praises to the Father. You know what I mean? Of above. You know? Give her so much love so I can do what I do. You know what I mean? So, today's not a sad day in some place, but it's sad in some place. You know what I mean? So, people, look how we soon up on the road that come through. I try to put together a little thing for pass through. You know what I mean? Who follow the channel will know. So the channel not been doing as how I wanted to be doing since lately. Cause I get betrayed by some people in one sense. So when they come to the YouTube and talk about it or nothing, but look at betrayal go on. So me set back and a pre-thing and a pre-life and I say, look, people that we do good for, these are the people that gonna betray you. You know what I mean? So look at betrayal, we kick back and I bowl a meditation. And go in the dark room, you know the song. And I try meditate to figure out. Because the reason why we start the thing is to upliftment at the end of the day. And to take the thing to a level. But every time you try to bring it to a level, there's always that sense of black people style. You know what I mean? Where we can't unite and we can't work for nothing. You have people just even never contribute that day in the movie thing and they're trying to say like a them run it, a them create it, and a them and do it, and a them and this. So it's a lot of things. So we step up from the nice a minute and after that you see the storm come. So if it was in good time when me at work more that reach out already. You know what I mean? So now me have to create things from all different angles. But this December, yeah, me have to make a drive through. So Empress G, you know, I send down some things same way. So I'll go through some care package same way, and we go try put some contribution to add some to it in the end of the process. You know what I mean? Because we have to do what we can do, even if everything now we part is supposed to do. We still have got to do something. We can't just sit back and do nothing at all. But the thing when I say I fight a war, most people never really realize why I say I fight a war. The war is big and the war is real. It's not in my mind. You know what I mean? It's just to uplift this country of mine and make you realize that talent is the only thing that we have really that we can really use in our sense and now to help uplift yourself. Who no born with certain links to get certain things done. You know what I mean? And who not go do certain things. So end of the day, we say movie and we are doing it. But the support we needed to carry to the next level. Because if that is done and we reach to the next level, all 40 hours I build back this morning. You understand? We just go through one place like Oprah Winfrey and say, you get a house, you get a house, you get a house. Because in my mind, I do so much there already. But the reality of life is that when you're born in one place like Jamaica, you have to be the toughest and it's going to be the roughest fight you ever fight to achieve nothing in this place. Yeah. You understand? Because talent there enough. It's not like a one somebody have talent there a whole heap. You know what I mean? So it make it more. Just like when you come to DJ business and artists, plenty artists start out in artists and nobody do it because it take too much. You know what I mean? And too much people can do the same thing. So that's the whole thing where kind of set it back and then you come back down to unity and then you come to opportunity. You know what I mean? But it's a lot of things though. But give thanks to the people them who support JAMMIWOOD from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Because the time when I take off and I focus on certain things is the focus we go to the next level. You understand? So that's it. You know? So we go talk though. But give thanks when I stay to the end. Watch a movie there. We have a couple movie line up and now. Like I said, just a work up back and now. And this time did affect me posting and all these things too. So you know it go. So I reach out to get some strength. That means say in December yeah, we go road to some place. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Let's go.